Namaste. My name is Tushar Mehbubani, currently pursuing BBA from Dharam Singh Desai University, Nadyad. Today, I am over here to share my experience with PEP, Placement Empowerment Program. Till now, what we studied in our schools and colleges was how to succeed in exams. But this PEP taught us how to succeed in life. Since childhood, we have heard 22 tak padhai, 25 pe naukri, and on and on and on. But after studies, how to attain this goal of job, how to present our own selves to reach our aim was never taught to us. People carry their certificates, their degrees, give interviews with expectations but return empty handed or with an unsatisfied salary job. PEP sessions held by Sir Sailesh and his admin team taught us to be confident, guided us the proper channel through which we can reach our aim easily. Till date, I was in a dilemma that when companies will come to our campus, they will interview us and select us for the job. But was there any chance of me getting selected among hundred of others? Where do I stand? Am I lucky enough to get a job of my choice? PEP sessions guided me the proper attire for interview, brewed my confidence and positivity to value myself among hundreds and thousands of others, be it bilanguage fluency or exploring our talents, which we were not aware of. Sir taught us from top to bottom about interview, from resume building to salary bargaining. Also, once posted to a job, how to stay motivated, be active, and keep inspiring others by our smart work. As Sir always says, cannon to the right, cannon to the left. Don't ask why, just do or die. Following this, I am now confident enough that I can get any job of my field at any place of my choice, growing with each and every day of never ending thirst. I heartily thank Sir Sailesh and his admin team, Prajit sir, Kairav sir, Paj sir, Nishtha ma'am, and Devarshi ma'am. Also, I would like to thank Dr. Nimesh Joshi for giving us an opportunity to interact with PEP team and be part of such an inspiring program. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Priyanka Chawla and I'm currently pursuing BBA third year from Dharam Singh Desai University at Nadyad. PEP. For me, more than just being a placement empowerment program, it has always been plan and empower yourself within and place yourself at your best. Silas said, he has never treated us like a mentor. He has always treated us like a guide or his own children. He'll tell you what needs to be done and what needs to be changed within you. It is a platform where you can speak your heart out because nobody is gonna judge you for that. They are only going to give you a push and overcome your weaknesses. The most prime thing I have learned from PEP is to be dedicated towards your goal because that is the most important thing. It is you who is going to make a change within yourself. PEP soldiers. They will do everything for you and will always there for you whenever you are in need. They, by sharing their stories, they have made a big difference and helped us believing in ourselves. Our admin team, hats off. There are no words for you because you have been there for us 24/7. You have helped us clearing all our doubts and they're always there for sharing videos, photos, whatever we are in need. PEP has always helped me clearing my doubts towards getting a job and trained for being the best. I would like to end this by sharing two lines. Don't trust the process. Don't take stress. Follow him blindly, he'll guide you kindly. That is what Sailesh sir is. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Devsudhar from MCOM. I'm giving you here for a feedback on a whole PEP program. The PEP is not a kind of a thing which I can describe in a short period. I give the meaning of the PEP. PEP is a placement empowerment program. Just imagine that if you visit Domino's for pizza and you get the pizza without the base of the cheese and the different masalas, definitely you would not like to eat just bread of the pizza. The layer of the cheese give you the reason to eat. Similarly, in the corporate world, nobody would like to hire you on the basis of your degree only. You need to make a layer on your qualification, and this you get only by PEP. The PEP helps you to develop yourself for getting the valuable career. In this PEP program, I learn many more things. I learn about resume, how to prepare it, what kind of information should be there. I am sure that if you join the PEP program, your resume will be exceptional. In my entire life, I never seen this kind of the resume before. Also, I learned about interview, some tricks that we should use to crack the interview. Also, I got to know about group discussion and I learned many more things. Through PEP, I improved my English speaking. I become more confident. Before I joined PEP program, I didn't know the value of a resume and English speaking. But after the PEP program, I got to know the real value of it. And that's how I enjoy whole the PEP program. I strongly recommend you to join the PEP program for career growth. In nutshell, I can say that thank you so much to all who are watching this video, and thank you so much to Sailesh sir for giving me the opportunity to be the part of this program, that is the PEP 2020.
Namaste. Hello everyone. I am Himanshu Bundela. I am a proud member of PP initiative taken by Sailesh sir and his team. Rather than saying about an initiative, it's a life-changing process. PP is a life-changing process. Right from day 1 to day 12. Everyone will go smooth, everyone will go cooperative. Sailesh sir, his team will never let you down. Will never let you down. The sessions carried by Sailesh sir and his team are always interesting, interactive, and always time bound, and always a relationship building between a student and a teacher. But rather than being a student and a teacher, PP is a whole family where PP makes soldiers, and PP takes a student from a 1% level and gives to the corporate level at 100% build up student. Because right from body language, resume making, English skills, speaking skills, stage fear, Sailesh sir will cover every aspect of your own personality and will lead you to take yourself in a final showdown, which is the corporate world. He teaches that Manilal is the main thing we have to achieve in our life, because Manilal is everything. Yes, he is right in his own way, because without a Manilal nothing can happen. So not just Sailesh sir, his team is very cooperative and very consistent in every way, like giving us knowledge, giving us, providing with materials, giving us real life experiences. They are just mind blowing, and that just by listening that you would make sure that no, even if they can, then even we can. And that's PP. They will teach you how to beat the subordinates, how he will PP will teach you that how to overcome the barriers in your own life and how to reach that certain level of success in a corporate world. Because after everything that matters a lot, that success, and that Sailesh sir and PP teaches you to survive in a corporate world and to survive in even life cycle. Because Sailesh sir has ample of experience, ample of knowledge regarding how the corporate works, how their mindset works. He teaches clearly us that how to just pull the interviewer and employers down to a certain level where you can showcase more your abilities and build your own career, rather than just looking around and just sitting idly. No, that's not PP. PP will carve you in every aspect, every aspect, right from A to Z of your personality. You will change entirely. That's PP. Huh. Thank you everyone for listening me, and trust me, PP is a life-changing moment from my point of view and from my aspect. PP is like everything for you.